Watch the video till the end. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Moderate mag. 5.6 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, 171 kilometers northwest of Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu, on Saturday, March 25, 2023 at 2:01 a.m. local time, according to the United States Geological Survey reported. Updated, March 24, 2023 13:37 Greenwich Mean Time 23 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Quakes in Tonga, Tongatapu, EUA, Hawaii. Moderate magnitude 5.6 earthquake at 281 kilometers depth,